Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft connection reset error. It's easy. Click here and then type here view network connections, and then you will select your connection internet. If you are using the internet cable, right click on it and click properties. And now once you're here, click this one and go to properties. You select this one here and then type 8888888844 and now enable this one and click OK. Now click OK again and then just close it and turn off your Wi-Fi. And if you are using the cable, just unlink the cable and link it again, and that's it. Just take off the cable, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.